Okay, so I've broken a couple of phone screens from dropping them, and I've always wanted to know how to fix them. So we're gonna go to our little friend, How To Basic, and we're gonna find out how to do that. Y'all know what to do. Stay till the end of the video, and let's just go. It happened so fast. Oh my god, that was amazing. Okay, anyway, okay, so one of our videos, it was the dude raps about his dead mother reaction, that hit 100 views in 2 days. I mean, I know it's probably because of the type of video it is, but we gained subscribers, we gained views, we got likes, but I just want to thank everyone who watched that video. If y'all watched it all the way through, let me know. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to react to, because I'm trying to keep all of you here as long as possible. I want to keep this channel up as long as possible, and I can't do that without you guys' help, so I'm gonna need y'all's help to in doing that. But thank you, and I will see you guys later.